If you're considering purchasing Internet Freedom VPN, here are 12 things you need to know before making the decision. Comparing it to some of the bigger names like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost, we'll dive into its strengths and weaknesses so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Stick around to the end for a comparison and our recommendation for a better option that you can try for free. First thing you need to know, Internet Freedom VPN offers a solid range of security features like military-grade encryption, which is great for protecting your data while surfing the web. Many top-tier VPNs boast this, but Internet Freedom VPN also has a strict no-logs policy, ensuring your online activities are never stored or tracked. Next thing, speed is a big deal when choosing a VPN. While Internet Freedom VPN delivers decent speeds for browsing and streaming, it doesn't always match up to the lightning-fast connections that services like ExpressVPN or NordVPN are known for. So, if speed is your top priority, you might feel a bit of a lag with Internet Freedom VPN. The third thing to consider is device compatibility. Internet Freedom VPN supports all major platforms like Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. However, it falls short on offering apps for certain smart TVs or gaming consoles, which is something more comprehensive providers like CyberGhost offer. Next, let's talk about server locations. Internet Freedom VPN doesn't have the extensive server network that some of the bigger names do. While it covers the basics, with servers in key regions like the US, UK, and Australia, there are fewer options compared to, say, ExpressVPN, which has a far broader server presence worldwide. The fifth thing, streaming support. Internet Freedom VPN does work well with services like Netflix, but it may not be as reliable for unblocking all streaming platforms in all regions. If you're a heavy streamer looking to access content from different countries, some competitors offer more stable and consistent unblocking performance. The sixth thing is the user interface. The app is straightforward and easy to use, even for beginners. It's not as feature-rich or complex as some other VPNs, but if simplicity is what you're after, you'll appreciate its clean design. Next, let's talk about pricing. Internet Freedom VPN is quite affordable compared to premium VPN services like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. If you're on a budget, this might be a good entry-level VPN, though keep in mind the cheaper price sometimes comes with trade-offs in terms of features and performance. The eighth thing, Internet Freedom VPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is great for testing it out risk-free. However, don't expect as many free trials or promotional deals as some competitors provide, which may offer better incentives to try them out. The ninth thing, customer support. While Internet Freedom VPN has a solid FAQ and email support, it lacks the 24/7 live chat that services like NordVPN offer. This can be a deal breaker if you run into issues and need quick assistance. Now, the 10th thing is its performance with P2P file sharing. Internet Freedom VPN is solid for torrenting, but it doesn't offer the specialized P2P servers you might find with a service like CyberGhost, which is known for its torrent-friendly infrastructure. The 11th thing, Internet Freedom VPN works well in restrictive countries with heavy internet censorship, such as China. While it isn't quite as reliable as some of the top-tier VPNs like ExpressVPN in this area, it does provide decent access to blocked content. Finally, the 12th thing. Privacy and security are top priorities with Internet Freedom VPN, but you may want to check their transparency regarding audits or third-party reviews. Some competitors are more open about their audit process, giving you more confidence in their claims. It's a good VPN option for those on a budget and looking for basic security and streaming capabilities. However, if you're looking for more reliable speeds, more server locations, and stronger streaming support, check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial, and see if it's a better fit for your needs.